Children, today I am going to give you the summary of the second chapter of our English textbook, New Images. Actually, this is a poem. The name of this poem is Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore. This poem is written by William Brightly Friends. Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore is a poem about a boy named Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore, who has a bad habit of leaving the door open. It is a nonsense poem, which is a form of poetry in which imaginary characters are placed in funny and strange situations. Usually, nonsense poetry has words and phrases that are made up and are quite meaningless. However, this poem is not entirely meaningless and has a message on manners. Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore, no doubt you have heard the name before, was a boy who never would shut a door. The wind might whistle, the wind might roar, and teeth be aching and throats be sore. But still he never would shut the door. His father would beg, his mother implore, Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore, we really do wish you would shut the door. Their hands they wrung, their hair they tore, but Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore was deaf as the bew out at the north. When he walked forth the fox would roar, Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore, why don't you think to shut the door? They rigged up a shutter with sail and oar and threatened to pack off Gustavus Gore on a voyage of penance to Singapore. But he begged for mercy and said, no more. Pray do not send me to Singapore. On a shutter, and then I will shut the door. You will? Said his parents. Then keep on shore, but mind you do, for the plague is sore. Of a fellow that never will shut the door. Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore. So children, ये एक ऐसे बॉय की पोएम है जो कभी अपने पेरेंट्स को ओबे नहीं करता है, कभी डोर को बंद नहीं रखता है. उसके पेरेंट्स उससे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, उसकी मदर उससे बेग करती हैं, पर वह जैसे डेफ होता है वैसे बिहेव करता है. इन लास्ट उसके पेरेंट्स उसे वॉर्न करते हैं और एज अ पनिशमेंट उसे सिंगापुर भेजने को बोलते हैं. फिर वह अपने पेरेंट्स से माफ़ी मांगता है और बोलता है, मैं अब हमेशा आपकी बात मानूंगा और कभी डोर को खुला नहीं छोड़ूंगा. एंड उसके पेरेंट्स उसको उसकी बात पर स्टे रहने को कहते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, द मॉरल ऑफ द पोएम इज़ दैट वन मस्ट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड लिसन टू एल्डर्स.